So to be honest, I had zero intention in keeping my child at Ashwood Glen after the Montessori program. But after seeing the incredible growth and experience that they were having within the Montessori program, I couldn't help but enroll them in the IB program. Understanding the amount of effort and intent and time that's put in by the staff and the administration towards their education, I couldn't not continue here. I am super proud of where my child is at currently. They're leaps and bounds ahead of where I expected to be at this point in time, with the ability to write in cursive, do simple math problems, and even read simple items. I'm so thrilled with where they're at. Above all, I appreciate the communication and the small family atmosphere. So, I interact with the staff and teachers on a daily basis, and I'm very involved in my child's education. I'm excited for him to experience the focus on the world and the community rather than just the academics, and how understanding the link between the theory and how it applies outside the school. And not only that, I think there's benefits to the small class sizes and the intimate setting. I think the benefit really is personalized education and individual connections with your peers and your teacher. You're not just a number, you're a member of the team and part of the group. I think the 3 words would be to thrive, community, and grow. There's no other, there's nothing to compare it to because it's not something that's typically offered. So the fact that they get the language skills at such an early age gives them a head start.